when it comes to the Texas misconception, fact is expect to get the property. So you just can't sell it for 6 months. However, if the property's vacant, you can be renting it out. If there's a renter in there, you can start collecting rent right away, which is very cool. There's been times where we've got property and we've collected rent the same day, which is very cool. So keep an eye out for that. And don't let people say like, oh, we're going to go to Texas and just make a boatload of interest. That I have heard of some folks who might play the homestead game as far as going for the interest rate there, but that's like a 2-year game that I doubt most of you want to play. Like we want to get into this. We want to flip properties quickly is the name of the game. So, if you have $20,000, that can get you into this game. How long would it take to create passive income that replaces a consistent paycheck? First, it depends on your how much money you're making right now, right? If the goal is, let's see, how long would it take to create passive income? So obviously everybody's going to have their own unique starting point, right? So let's say for this example, we're talking about a $25,000 property, or say you get the property for 25 grand and say it's worth 150. So this stuff can happen at tax deed auctions. Now, the fair warning, is it going to happen at your first auction? Maybe not. It might not happen till your 5th auction, or you might have to go find different auctions. But what I can tell you is everybody who sticks with tax liens and deeds will get good deals. So everybody's on their own timeline. There's been times where we've went to 7 auctions in a row and haven't got anything. And then on the 7th auction, we got 8 property. So you can bet our morale was a little bit in the toilet during that period, but it's one of those things where if you stick with it and you're consistent, you will get these deals. So, back example on the property, let's just bring it up here. I'll share my screen again. Where did it go? So I crunched the numbers in the AI here as far as a rental income, right? So say we get this property for even 25 grand, right? And that can happen. So if you're looking at a rental income here of $1,600 per month, annual rent, $1,600, $19,200. We got taxes, insurance, maintenance. So on this property, you're going to make about $11,000 per 11.9 per year. Call it 11.9. So, as far as how much your monthly income is, if you just need 5 of these paid for, if you're making around 5 grand a month. Depends what you want to do and where you want to go with this. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I have a free gift for you for watching a free mini course called The ABCs of Tax Lien and Deed Investing. This is one of the best books on tax liens, and it is totally free as my gift to you for watching. In the description below, it'll walk you through tax liens from start to finish, along with the directories with all 1,500 tax lien and deed counties put here so that you don't have to go and search around the internet to find them on your own. So the other thing I have is if you already have this book and you want to do a deep dive, my team and I have found an auction with a whole bunch of properties worth 200 to 300 grand, opening bids of just $1,600. So if you want to deep dive and attend an auction with some help, you can also schedule a free call below and we can discuss helping you in this business. Regardless, thanks for watching. You can check things out in the description below and enjoy the videos. We'll see you soon.